As the global population ages, more people are living longer than ever before. However, this increase in life expectancy brings new challenges. Many older adults spend their later years dealing with chronic health issues and reduced quality of life. The reasons are complex, involving shifts in disease patterns, socioeconomic improvements, and lifestyle changes. Understanding how aging affects our bodies and minds is crucial for developing strategies that promote healthy, active years. In this video, we'll explore the interplay between nutrition, metabolism, and exercise, and how these factors can help us age well and maintain independence. Aging is a gradual process marked by subtle changes in our cells and tissues. Over time, damage accumulates, and the body's repair mechanisms become less effective. This leads to physiological decline, especially in organs and tissues with high energy demands. Scientists have identified key cellular mechanisms involved in aging, such as genomic instability, mitochondrial dysfunction, and chronic inflammation. These changes set the stage for age-related diseases and highlight the importance of proactive strategies to slow down the aging process. With advancing age, the risk of developing diseases like cardiovascular disease, sarcopenia, neurodegeneration, and type 2 diabetes rises. These conditions are often linked to increased body fat, reduced muscle and bone mass, and declining cognitive and sensory functions. Sleep disturbances, depression, and fatigue further contribute to a loss of autonomy. Understanding these risks helps us focus on prevention and early intervention, which are key to maintaining health and independence in older age. Lifestyle choices play a major role in healthy aging. Sedentary habits and poor nutrition are common in many societies, increasing the risk of chronic diseases. On the other hand, regular physical activity and a balanced diet can significantly reduce morbidity and improve quality of life. Physical exercise not only benefits motor skills and prevents frailty, but also protects the brain and supports cognitive function. Making healthy choices every day is a powerful tool for aging well. Socioeconomic status can influence how often people engage in physical activity. Studies show that individuals with higher socioeconomic status are more likely to be physically active, though this relationship can vary by gender and how activity is measured. Barriers such as lack of motivation, fear of injury, and limited access to facilities can prevent regular exercise, especially among older adults. Recognizing these factors is important for designing effective health interventions. Neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson, and Huntington's are complex conditions that affect cognitive and motor functions. These diseases are influenced by both genetic and environmental factors, including lifestyle and nutrition. Early adoption of healthy behaviors, such as regular exercise and a balanced diet, can help reduce the risk of cognitive decline and dementia. While starting these habits earlier in life is ideal, it's never too late to benefit from positive changes. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of our cells, and their function declines with age. This decline is linked to cognitive impairment and neurodegenerative diseases. Factors like oxidative stress, mitochondrial DNA mutations, and reduced energy production contribute to brain hypometabolism and neuronal death. Protecting mitochondrial health through lifestyle choices is a promising strategy for supporting brain function as we age. Research shows that lifestyle changes can reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases at any age. Regular physical activity, a healthy diet, consistent sleep patterns, and cognitive training all contribute to brain health. Sleep quality, in particular, is closely linked to cognitive performance and the risk of dementia. Melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep, also has neuroprotective effects. Maintaining a stable circadian rhythm is essential for overall well-being. Physical exercise has been shown to benefit both independent older adults and those with cognitive decline. Even low-intensity activities like walking can reduce the risk of dementia. Resistance and combination training also improve cognitive function. Exercise may increase neurotrophic factors, enhance synaptic connectivity, and reduce inflammation, all of which support brain health. These benefits extend to improved mood, stress regulation, and overall quality of life. Metabolic syndrome, which includes impaired glucose tolerance, obesity, hypertension, and high triglycerides, increases the risk of cognitive decline and dementia. High blood pressure and excess weight in middle age can significantly raise the risk of cognitive problems later in life. Managing blood sugar and maintaining a healthy weight are important for protecting both brain and body as we age. Social interaction is another important factor in healthy aging. Chronic loneliness can act as a form of stress, affecting metabolic and mental health. Support from family and friends, opportunities for social engagement, and community resources can motivate older adults to stay active and maintain healthy habits. Addressing barriers and promoting social connections are essential for successful aging. Intermittent fasting has gained popularity for its potential health benefits beyond weight loss. Studies suggest that fasting can reduce inflammation, improve cholesterol and triglyceride levels, and support brain health. Calorie restriction, when done carefully, may also have neuroprotective effects by promoting neurogenesis and synaptic plasticity. However, it's important to ensure adequate nutrient intake, especially in older adults. Carbohydrate-restricted diets, such as the ketogenic diet, are linked to improved glycemic control and reduced inflammation. Ketone bodies produced during these diets may offer neuroprotection and increased satiety. While animal studies show promise, more research is needed to confirm these benefits in humans, especially over the long term. As with any dietary change, it's important to consider individual needs and consult healthcare professionals. Antioxidants play a key role in protecting the brain from oxidative stress, which increases with age. Diets rich in vitamins A, E, and C, flavonoids, and carotenoids have been linked to better cognitive function and lower risk of dementia. The Mediterranean diet, with its emphasis on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, is especially beneficial for brain health and longevity. Certain functional foods and supplements, such as polyphenols, unsaturated fatty acids, melatonin, and caffeine, have shown potential in supporting cognitive health. Polyphenols, found in olive oil and plant-based foods, offer antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. While some supplements like vitamin E and C may help, it's best to focus on a balanced diet rich in natural sources of these nutrients. Ultra-processed foods high in sugars and unhealthy fats contribute to inflammation and increase the risk of chronic diseases. Long-term consumption of these foods is linked to higher mortality, especially from heart disease and diabetes. Reducing intake of processed foods and choosing whole, nutrient-dense options can help create an anti-inflammatory environment in the body and support healthy aging. Sarcopenia, the loss of muscle mass and function, is common in older adults and those with obesity. This condition affects glucose metabolism, increases insulin resistance, and raises the risk of falls, fractures, and hospitalization. Regular physical activity, especially resistance training, is essential for preserving muscle health and preventing sarcopenia's negative effects on quality of life. Different types of exercise offer unique benefits for older adults. Aerobic activities improve cardiovascular health and brain function, while resistance training builds muscle strength and endurance. Multi-component programs, including Tai Chi and yoga, enhance balance and flexibility. The best approach is a combination of exercises tailored to individual abilities and health conditions. Exercise stimulates the brain in remarkable ways. It promotes neurogenesis, synaptogenesis, and synaptic plasticity, all of which are vital for learning and memory. Studies in both animals and humans show that regular physical activity can prevent cognitive decline, improve vascular perfusion, and support the structural integrity of the brain. These effects highlight the importance of staying active at any age. Health organizations recommend that older adults engage in at least 5 sessions of moderate intensity aerobic exercise per week, or 3 sessions of vigorous intensity training. Combining aerobic and resistance exercises is ideal for optimizing health and maintaining independence. It's important to tailor exercise programs to individual abilities and health status, ensuring safety and effectiveness. Healthy aging is a lifelong journey that requires a holistic approach. By integrating balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, social engagement, and positive lifestyle choices, we can reduce the risk of age-related diseases and maintain quality of life. Even small changes can make a big difference, and it's never too late to start. Remember, healthy aging is about more than just living longer. It's about living better, with vitality and independence.